Hello everyone, I am the school topper of Prelude Public School class 10. I got 97.4% in my CBSE board class 10. I give a great thanks to Oswaal Books as these books helped me to achieve my goal. Their workbooks, sample papers are awesome and have a lots of important questions. I recommend my juniors to use these books if they want to get good marks in their boards.
Hi guys, I am Priyanshi Shrivastav and I want to share with you my experience. So this year I passed my 10th board exams with 96.20%. I want to tell you that getting good percentage in 10th is not at all a difficult task and neither you are required to take several coachings. All you need to do is to dedicate your time to self-studies. I took help from Oswaal Books. They provide good short notes and a plethora of questions for you to practice.
Hi, this is Purvi. I got 100 out of 100 in English. I read from Oswaal book as well as I use Oswaal sample paper for my last time preparation and it's helped me a lot. So I suggest all the 12th board appearance use Oswaal book.